Boosting sales on Amazon FBA involves a combination of strategic listing optimization, effective marketing, and maintaining high product quality. Here's how to achieve it. Optimize product listings. Use keyword-rich titles, clear and detailed descriptions, and concise bullet points highlighting key features and benefits. Ensure high-quality images from multiple angles, showcasing the product in use. Competitive pricing. Regularly monitor competitor prices and adjust yours accordingly. Use tools like Repricer Express to automate price adjustments. Enhanced brand content. Utilize Amazon's enhanced brand content or A+ content for registered brands. This allows you to create richer product descriptions with images, videos, and custom text, improving conversion rates. Run promotions and discounts. Offer discounts, coupons, and deals to attract buyers. Consider running lightning deals to boost visibility. Leverage Amazon advertising. Use Amazon PPC campaigns to drive traffic to your listings. Target relevant keywords and regularly optimize your campaigns for better performance. Gather positive reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Use follow-up emails through Amazon's messaging system to request feedback. Maintain high inventory levels. Keep sufficient inventory to avoid stockouts, which can negatively impact your search ranking and sales. Utilize FBA for Prime eligibility. Ensure your products are fulfilled by Amazon to gain Prime eligibility, increasing trust and convenience for Prime members.